Hi, welcome to Cooking Spot. Today we are going to make a custard biscuit pudding. Let's see what is needed. 400 ml of milk, 20 grams of corn flour, 2 eggs, vanilla, 60 grams of melted butter, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 20 grams of biscuits, and cinnamon. First, let's grind the cinnamon. Now, let's grind the biscuit in the same way. Put the biscuit in a bowl and add melted butter to it. Thin it into the shape of the ball and leave it in the refrigerator about 2 hours. Next, let's make the custard. First, break 2 eggs into a bowl and separate the yolks. Add sugar to the separated yolks. Then some corn flour. Mix the mixture well. Add 50 ml of the fresh milk we bought and mix well. Put the remaining fresh milk on the stove and heat it. When the fresh milk heats up a little, put the custard mixture we have made and put it on a low flame. Add some vanilla for more flavor. After 2 hours, take the biscuit bowl that was in the refrigerator. Allow the custard mixture to cool and add it on the top of the biscuit layer. Next, add some cinnamon powder for a good smell and taste. Put the custard biscuit pudding in the refrigerator for 2 hours. Now you can taste it. See you in another recipe like this.